It's home style, home style,
welcome to my channel, Home Style with Hini. I got my twin sister Braha. Hi everybody. Today we're going to make spaghetti, and she likes my spaghetti so much that she can't eat it. Yeah. She's a vegetarian. So I'm making her famous vegetarian spaghetti. So let's get started. We have some mushrooms that are minced, and we have a shallot that we're going to mince. So let's get started. Alright, so we got some shallots and some garlic going. So now we're going to go ahead and add the mushrooms that we minced up. We already got our other spaghetti ready. Put it all in there. Yep, we're going to put it all in there. And we're going to sweat those mushrooms out. It smells so good. I love mushrooms. It has like a really earthy flavor. So it looks like the mushrooms have sweated down. And so now we're going to add some seasoning. We're going to add some of the thyme. And I really don't have a measurement for this. I just kind of eyeball it. Yeah. I don't even know if that was. You did that. Garlic powder. And I'm going to add some onion. Just kind of give everything seasoned. Yeah. And excuse my squeaking cabinet. Kosher sauce. And what is my pepper? And some pepper. Wait. And we're gonna add some pepper. And mix that in. That smells so good. It almost smells like meat, but better because it's vegetarian. Thumbs up and comment below if you want to see more vegetarian dishes from my sister. That she makes the best alternative food for me. Because I always feel just sad because I can never eat her meat foods anymore. But I feel special when she like comes up with a vegetarian version, and it always tastes just flavorful. Alright, so it looks like it's good. So we are totally improvising. We're going to use tomato sauce out of the can, but I'm going to make it my own. And 1 can of tomato sauce. Looks like ground meat's in there. And I love to use cooking wine. So again, I just eyeball it. I don't really have a measurement, but something about red wine just really enhances the flavor of your pasta. Oh yeah. And then I'm just gonna season it again with Italian seasoning. And some garlic, some onion. And I have this really good seasoning that I like to use in my pasta. French seasoning. And it's fresh because you crack it in the little crushers. Spice grinder? So there you go, spice grinder. A little sleep deprived this week. Cadence did not sleep well this whole week. Give that a good mix. I smell the wine a lot. So it really is going to look like a ragu. But I have some like vegetables I can add. I have some bell peppers, if you want to put that in there. Some spinach, if you want to put that in there. Some kale, because she's a vegetarian, so I try to add lots of vegetables to fill it up with lots of vitamins and give her that protein. Yeah, and let that come to a boil. Which is really good. Last time she made this was when we went on our trip. And I think you put squash in that. You cut up squash the size of the mushrooms. That was really good.
Oh yeah. Oh, I have some squash. You want to put some squash in there?
You can. Put some squash in. That'd be good. Alright, so we're gonna add some frozen squash because it's what I have in the freezer. Girl,
You want more than that?
yeah. That's almost like a ratatouille.
Alright, and so sometimes I add a little sugar to counteract with the bitter. Son is playing the drums right now with his blocks to counteract with the bitterness. So I add a little sugar. Alright. And give it a good mix. I'm just gonna let that come to a boil and we'll be right back. So she's got her bowl. And it looks really good. We've got Canyon's with us because he's ready for bed. What do you think?
It was really, really good.
You like it too, Dada? Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so that concludes our video. Please like
And subscribe. Her channel is awesome.
and leave a comment. Let me know what other recipes you want to see me make.
Or if you want me to come back.
Subscribe to all her videos. Bye.
Alright.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.